Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we will learn and will teach that how can you preview your PDF file like this. This is an PDF file and I can see this file without opening the PDF. So if you want to see your files like that, then you have to open your Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader software, and then you have to go edit menu and you have to click here the preference, or you can click Ctrl+K. I'm clicking here, and in the general section you can see when I'm clicking general section here we see the option that enable PDF thumbnail preview in Windows Explorer. So you have to click here. Just first time you don't have the tick mark, the checkbox, then you have to click here, and when it's ticked, and you have to click the OK button, and it's awesome that now you can see your PDF file like this. Thank you. Subscribe and like, share this video. Tada, bye bye.